Powerline Insulator Defect Identifier integrated to ERP is a unique offering from Capgemini Energy and Utility Industry Hub. Real-time visualization of Powerline insulator condition is one of the key challenges of the power transmission utilities. The age-old process of manual inspection of insulators is time-consuming, tedious, costly, error-prone, and risk to life. Timely identification of emerging insulator fault and quick restoration can be a major differentiator of the transmission utility's revenue, reliability and service commitments. Capgemini Energy and Utility Industry Hub has developed a powerful and cost-effective solution for Powerline insulator fault inspection, which can be integrated with the transmission utility applications for asset, outage, and mobile workforce management systems. Edge AI workloads are enabled via Intel's OpenVINO toolkit and Movidius video processing unit. Our solution complies with the T&D line maintenance strategy and the inspection safety schedules and practices. A GPS-enabled drone is controlled by a portable ground control system with GIS data to monitor the flight path, geo-coordinates and Powerline insulator condition. The data is analyzed using artificial intelligence, convolutional neural network algorithm, integration of SAP S/4HANA Asset Enterprise Systems with GIS for real-time data, asset repository, service order creation, notification, scheduling, dispatching and workforce management. SOM Manager and ABAP remote function modules are configured within SAP systems to support business processes with web services and integration with other systems like GIS and GCS application. Plant maintenance module is used to create master data for the Powerline data like functional location, class, characteristic. Notification will be created based on the inspection result received from GCS application. And service order, assignment scheduling and dispatching will be done using work order management module. The solution is enabled with live feed, image, video analytics and cloud application. Let's see how the solution works. The supervisor first checks the list of poles that need to be inspected in the SAP system using functional location structure, creates a service order and assign to the lineman as part of daily inspection. Lineman receives a notification of assigned jobs. Now lineman will check and verify the inspection details in GCS application. The drone is carried to the field and GCS application is opened. First the pole location is checked in the GIS map. Specific pole is selected to check the details. The condition shows as good as checked on a previous date. The lineman click on Start Inspection button and navigate the drone to the respective insulator using GCS drone control feature. Once the insulator is focused, Start Inspection button is clicked. Live feed is then analyzed using machine learning model for any fault detection. Once a fault is detected by model, lineman gets a fault report with pole ID and inspection date. After validation, application will store this information to cloud storage. This information can be used for further training of CNN model for better fault detection performance. Solution will continuously be monitoring new reports, uploaded to cloud storage, and on receiving a new file, it will send update to SAP system and GIS. A subsequent notification will be created in SAP system. The supervisor generates a service order to rectify the faults and sends it to the available maintenance team, who then carry out their job. The lineman also checks the status of the insulator in the GCS application, which is now updated and shows insulator status as bad. Thus, a proactive inspection job is easily performed, and the fault is detected and rectified and updated in the enterprise asset management system in a seamless manner. The solution monitors the health of Powerline insulators and issue advance warning to the transmission utility against identified faults. It helps the utility operators take proactive action to rectify insulator faults timely, thus preventing costly breakdowns. The solution ensures that the utility meet their regulatory and customer commitments. The solution can be extended beyond insulators to inspect other power transmission assets like tower structure, conductors, cross arms, joints, line sag and vegetation undergrowth.